yeah, basically everything is, the whole hot side is done now. But everything is just tacked up, as you can see, just little tacks in there. We're gonna try to get as much done as possible with the welding. Try to get everything welded up completely. Try to get some strong welds in there. I'm doing it with a flux core welder, the Harbor Freight, the cheap one. We're working on the 4.6 liter. It's my 96 Thunderbird right here. Everything is joined up from that side. It comes down over here. This one comes down right here, and they meet up right here, and the turbo sits right here. Also, I might be putting this on the actual turbo on the hot side, because the way everything fits is like super tight in here. It's like not a lot of space, and also it's like for these to really work correctly, it has to catch all the exhaust flow. I'm about to get to this welding. I'm gonna finish up this piece first, and then I'm probably gonna move on to this one because I still got to finish up this here. So I'm gonna get that nice and strong, and then after these, we're gonna get to these two, and then I'll show you guys my progress as I'm going. But I'm not gonna really be able to record me actually doing it, because my camera that I use for recording stuff like that is dead right now. So I'm gonna actually put it on the charger real quick right now, and hopefully by the time I'm done with this one, I got enough juice to record the other stuff. So yeah, man, we're gonna get to welding. Y'all, so we got it all welded up. You can see it ain't pretty at all whatsoever, but I ain't really scared to show y'all, because all these videos is just really, at the end of the day, for me to see all my progress. You can see I was kind of experimenting with it right now too as I was going and trying to figure out how to get the puddles right. So you can see this when I first started. Puddles was real thick and stuff and all over the place. And I was experimenting here too. But you can see some parts I got some okay welds. Some parts I got some big old globs in the middle. Then you can see over here, it's kind of getting better. And then over here, it was actually getting pretty decent, but I just did two layers just to make sure that V-band's gonna stay on there. Make sure it got the V-band and the pipes down right there. For sure it went to the V-band and the pipes, so it'll be all right. That one's cool. But right now I'm about to you see all this little splatter on the V-band, so it's not gonna really let it close up right when I put the V-band on there. So I'm about to take my grinder and grind it off, and I'll come back to the video after that. So after that one, I'm gonna get this one started. So I'm gonna just take this over there right now, have it ready for me to grab once I'm ready for it. So I'm actually not too disappointed with this right here. I can see my progress already, just from yesterday watching some videos on how to get the puddles better and how to, make some better welds with the flux core. It's all right. Y'all probably looking like those is terrible as hell, but it's better for me. Y'all should have seen my first welds. I might have some pieces in here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, y'all gonna see this right here. Y'all gonna be like, what the hell? So these is my first welds pretty much ever. I was just throwing a whole lot of metal at it and just letting it burn. So compared from all this to this, that ain't too shabby. So you see I got gaps in there and all that. So, compared to this, we doing good, man. So I'm about to get to this V-band and grind it down, take off all these little lumps and bumps on there, and I'll be back. All right, man, so we back. We got the V-band all smoothened out now. You know, pieces of metal and nothing on there. It's all smooth again. So we got this one all finished up, all welded up. Water tested it. It was coming out from a few spots, so I covered them up. So you see them welds getting better, man. Yes, sir. So now I'm about to get to working on this one over here. I got my camera set up so y'all can see while I weld it. I already banged it into place with the hammer, all the little spots. So now we're just gonna get to welding. So let me set this camera up and let's get to it.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take it and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby,
Yes, sir. Huh? The which one? They ugly, but we getting it done. My welds is terrible. Let's get it, man. Thank you, sister. Sheesh. Alright, y'all. So we got this one all done. This is the driver's side header, manifold, whatever you want to call it. We got it all welded up now. We got some strong welds up in there. Ain't nothing gonna move, nothing gonna break. They ain't pretty at all whatsoever, but they most definitely will get the job done. Everything is all welded up all the way around, no gaps, no nothing. So now this one's finished. We had this one finished. I don't know why my camera keep unfocusing, but we got this one all done, all welded up. Everything's all nice and welded. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and take off all this little splatter crap off the V-band piece right here. So when I clamp it down, it can clamp down evenly. I got these gaps to fill in and stuff, so we're gonna get to working on that. And then after this piece, we just got this. We got this one, and this the piece that brings the driver's side manifold over to the passenger side, to where I'm gonna have the turbo sitting at. So this one's just gonna be easier to weld. So I'm gonna just go ahead and knock the other one out real quick, get that out the way. And yeah. All right, y'all. So now we got this one all finished up. We got it. We got the V-band all grinded down. It's all nice and smooth now. No more bumps and lumps on it. So once I put the clamp on there, it'll clamp down nice and smooth. We'll get all this crap off tomorrow and clean it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock this one out the way right now. I ain't gonna rush. I ain't trying to rush it at all, but I am trying to get them both done tonight. So yeah, we just gonna get to it, and yeah, I'm gonna set this camera up so y'all could watch me weld that up for a little bit, and then I'm gonna probably cut it midway, and then I'll just show you guys the end results. Just like that. So I really wanted to show you guys how I was gonna fill in that gap. Just like that, you just build up the puddle, try to bring it up, drag it up, but you stay on the puddle, but on the corner of the puddle, right on the edge. So you keep building it and just drag it up to where you wanna fill in, and let it set. There you go. So the camera is about to die. I see the light flashing. So I'm about to throw it on the charger, and hopefully by the time I'm almost done with this, it'll be charged, and then you guys could watch me finish up this,